Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to discuss about Inboxdollar. Mostly websites which are presented on social media platform are fake. So you need to be careful because your time is really important because you have to choose and select a website which actually pays you. So today I brought you a great website. It's called Inboxdollars. So basically it's really simple. Um, with each survey you accomplish, they pay you in dollars. For example, this survey, this is of like 7 minutes, and it will give you $0.25. Similarly, there's a button in the header section that's called offers. When you go there, here are plenty of options which you can avail. For example, this, if you install this app, you will earn $0.02. Similarly, create your free, and similarly there are other plenty of options. So do subscribe this channel, do register this channel, and try to earn money, because your time is really important. Instead of wasting your time in social media activities, it's better that you learn as well as at the same time you earn something. So that there's also surveys, games, shops, magic receipts, refer friends, and there are plenty of options which you can avail. So I think you should avail this option. Thank you.